Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I need to put about u equals to ln of 2s. Later that we do first derivative of this one. And we will have about number 2 over 2s ds. If we do first the derivative of this one, we keep about 2s on the denominator. Later that we do first the derivative of 2s on numerator. That's why we have number 2. And later that 2 divided by 2, you got about 1 over s. Next, we have dv equals to the s over s squared. And this one we can write into s to the power of negative number 2 ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to s to the power of negative number 2 plus 1 over negative number 2 plus 1. So we have s to the power of negative number 1 over negative number 1. So I will put the negative sign on here. So we have u multiplied by v. This one I can write into 1 over s minus we have the u multiplied by v. So because we have the negative sign here, negative with negative, you got about positive. This one is about 1 over s with 1 over s, and you got about the integration 1 over s squared ds. The integration of this one, we have negative 1 over s, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.